So my what? Oh. Hey, if y'all have the BMW G05 and you got a noise that sounds like a whining power steering pump, but you got electric power steering, it's this. See if I can get it. I don't know if y'all could hear that, but the bearings are shot in this tensioner. And they also don't tell you when you're taking your fan setup out, there's a piece on the side of the fan. You got to take this rubber strap off it. And then once you take the rubber strap off, you got to take your screwdriver and pop that unit out to the side. It's got a coolant hose that goes up to your turbos. That hose you have to pop off. There's a little clip that holds it. And this is the 2022 BMW X5 M50i with the 4.4 twin turbo bullshit. But yeah, if your car fucking sounds like it's got a whining power steering pump, most likely it's this tensioner. They suck. It took me half a day to fucking get it out. They don't tell you shit on the internet. I don't work at Beamer, so I don't get that privilege. But yeah, you got a bad tensioner. It sounds crazy when you rev up your car. I was embarrassed to drive down the street because it sounded so crazy. But yeah, this is what it was. So, yep. Good luck.